In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a no-show on Calendly. Whether you're managing appointments or tracking attendance, knowing how to mark missed meetings is a crucial part of staying organized and maintaining accurate records. Calendly makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update the status of any past appointment in just a few steps. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, let's start by navigating to the official Calendly website. Open your browser and go to www.calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Now, it's time to log in to your account. Here you'll see a couple of options. You can enter your email address and password directly, or if your account is connected to Google, you can select the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to streamline the login process, since it allows you to use your Google account information without having to type in additional details. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Calendly profile. Once you've entered your credentials or selected your Google account, click the Continue button to finalize the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, head over to the Meetings section. This is where all of your scheduled and completed appointments are organized. Next, look toward the top of the page and click on the Past tab. This will show you a list of all your completed meetings. Viewing past events is a helpful way to keep track of what's already happened and locate the specific appointment you need to update. Now, scroll through the list of past events to find the meeting you want to mark as a no-show. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct meeting. Accurate records are important, so double-check if needed to avoid any mistakes. Once you've identified the correct meeting, click on the Mark as No-Show option. By doing this, you're updating the appointment status to indicate that the person did not attend. This is a useful feature for keeping your schedule organized and for understanding which appointments require follow-up or rescheduling. Finally, confirm the update to finalize the process. Once you've done that, the meeting will officially be marked as a no-show, and your records will reflect the change. And there you have it. You now know how to mark a no-show on Calendly. By following these steps, you can easily manage your appointment records and keep everything up to date. If you have any additional questions or want to share your own tips for using Calendly, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.